My name is Ann Smith, and I've been here for about 5.5 years, and I work in UPS as a door packer and inspector. My typical day is trying to find all the doors that need to ship and have to be on the trucks for the day, drill them and scan them, and we package them and send them out. It's pretty busy a lot of times. I chose Wellborn because I wanted a job that I could stay in and make a lifelong career out of. Even though I do the same job, a lot of times it's different. It's not always just standing and doing the exact same thing. I do different stuff during the day. I love working with my coworkers. We all get along great. In our area, everybody is like family. And with my supervisor, I'm not just a number, I'm a person. He understands when you're going through stuff, like my father's just been diagnosed with cancer, and he works with me with if I need off or anything. It's great working underneath someone who is very understanding. It's a good place to work. They have good hours and good pay, good benefits. I've been here 5.5 years, and I still enjoy my job. That's why I'm still here. I still enjoy my job, and I enjoy the people I work with.